Hey there, welcome. Ed here, putting together, assembling a 2-liter Acecare bottle. So first things first, main regulator, you have the main valve stem. Has a filter on the inside that helps to keep impurities out. So I snug it up or put it on by hand and give it just a little twist, all right? So, it's got a washer on it, an O-ring. Make sure that O-ring is in place and thread her on in. So make sure that O-ring's not way up high on the threads or you'll mess it up. You'll mess up the O-ring. So slide it in there, spin it on. It has an O-ring, right? So you can do the 90 Newton meters if you want. What I have found is I put it on as tight as I can get it, and I take a dead blow hammer and I just give it a tap, because those threads are not tapered, they seat down. It's not pipe threads, they're not tapered, so they sit down in there. So honestly, I just give it a little snug and tap it, and that's that. Haven't had any issues ever. All right. That's the next thing is to put on the regulator. Don't forget to put the O-ring in there that comes with it, obviously. Put it on there and thread her in. And there goes that. All right, so this shaft right here has threads on has a spot for a wrench on the inside. You got to watch it. They will be loose when you get them. This one seems pretty tight, so we're gonna leave it for now. May look at it later if we need to. All right, pretty much done with that. Simple, quick, and easy. So on your hose, inside of it, you have the little white washer. You have extra ones that come in the pack. If you tighten this too much, you will smash it to the point where that hole will completely go away. So I put it on there, doesn't need thread lock or anything like that. I put it on there and I'll take 2 wrenches and I'll give it a little snug. When I have pressure on it, I'll spray a little water on it just to make sure. I'll spray water in here, soapy water, doesn't have to be crazy soapy. I'll spray it around all my fittings and make sure that everything is good to go. So obviously you hook your hose up to that, and this goes to whatever you're filling, paintball gun, PCP air gun, whatever, right? And this has more for fire service personnel, but it's a click device. So it clicks open, but you can't shut it, so you have to push it in to turn it. My other 6.8 liter Acecare tank has this. I made a washer, 2 different size hole saws, and made a washer that fit in there so that would hold this back and not allow it to catch. I'm gonna leave this one and give it a try. The thing is, you don't want to overfill whatever it is you're filling, correct? So kind of have to push in and do a couple things at once, right? But you open it up, so you hook your stuff on, whatever you're charging. Make sure your bleeder valve is closed. Open your tank. You can watch this gauge or the gauge that's on whatever device it is that you're filling up. Fill it to the pressure you want. So you're gonna have to push it in. Close it off. Bleed your air line going to your device. Unhook it, and away you go. So there you are. Acecare, 2 liter. Really like it. I have 2 of them. Well, I have one that I set up for a buddy of mine, and he's on vacation, so I'm testing it out. This one will get filled tomorrow. I'll get you a video on that pretty quick. Topped off the other one this morning. So check it out. It's pretty cool. It's nice. It's lightweight. It's Acecare's working on 2-liter bags right now, and they should be out fairly soon. They have 3-liter bags, 6-liter bags, 9-liter bags. They're working on the 2-liter. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Be safe out there.